now. First alphabet is A. Ah, ah, apple. Repeat with me. Then afterwards I will unmute you. Then all together we will repeat. Okay, my dear students. A. Ah, ah, apple. B. 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 Ball. C. K. K. Cat. D. 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 Dog. E. A. A. Egg. F. Fish. See my lips, my mouth, how I am speaking. Look here, look in front, look here. See my mouth and lips, how I am speaking, how my lips are moving. Clear? G. 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 Gun. Once again, I am repeating for you from A to G. A. 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 Apple. B. 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 Ball. C. K. K. Cat. D. 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 Dog. E. A. A. Egg. F. Fish. G. 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 Gun. Now I am unmuting you all. You have to repeat with me from A to G. All right? No one will speak unnecessarily. I don't want any other sound from your background. Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes, my dear students. Let's start. A. Yes, you were right, but some of you spoke F. No, not F. It's F. F. Fish. What it is? F. F. Fish. Here. Okay. Now I am sharing the another page. I am stop sharing it this page and I am sharing another page with you. Yes. In this page, we have a letter starting from J to N. So here again, repeat with me. H. 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 Hat. I. E. E. Igloo. J. 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 Jug. K. 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 Kite. L. 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 Lamb. See, again I'm telling you, see my lips and my mouth, how my tongue is moving, right? M. Monkey. N. Nut. Once again, I am repeating from H alphabet to N alphabet. H. Hat. I. E. Igloo. J. Jug. K. Kite. L, lamb. See my tongue while spelling L, lamb. M, monkey. N, nut. Clear this much? Anyone is having doubt? Just raise your hand. This much. Anyone is having doubt? Okay, all right. Again, the same I am repeating. I am unmuting you all and repeat with me. Okay? Yes. Shall we start?
Yes. Glue. Monkey. And
Very good. But I can see so many of you, whether you are unable to unmute yourself or you are having, I think, some connectivity issue. Gitanjali Masure, very good, beta. You spell all the phonetic sound very nicely. Very good, beta. Clap for yourself. Everyone, clap for Gitanjali. Next, we will move forward from alphabet O to V. I'm stop sharing this page and sharing the another page for you. Yes, my dear students. Yes, here are the words, letters from the alphabet O to V. Again, look here, my lips and my mouth, how my lips moving from one alphabet to other alphabet for the sounds. Clear? O, owl. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tub. U, umbrella. V, van. Spelling of umbrella is UMBRELLA. Right? Okay. Once again, I am repeating phonic sounds from the alphabet O to V for you. Pay attention, everyone. O, owl. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tub. U, umbrella. V, van. So are you ready to speak phonic sounds from the alphabet O to V along with me? Are you ready, my dear students? Okay. Yes, you can start.
Parrot. Bean. Rabbit.
Great. Great. Very good. Yes, yes. Very good, beta. Very good. I can hear each and every student voice now. Very good. Now, the last page I am going to share with you. It's from the alphabet. Just wait a minute. Wait for a second. Yes, here we have last page. Okay, here it comes. Yes, these are the last four alphabets starting from W to Z. So again, pay attention how I'm saying the phonic sound from the alphabet W to Z. W, wo, watch. X, x, box. Pay attention. Look here. Listen carefully. X. It's not. We will not. We will not say X like X in Hindi. No. It's x, x, box. Box. X. We will. We will take the phonic sound of X like x, x. Y. Yeah. Yeah. Yak. Z. S, s, zoo. Z. S, s, zoo. Again, I am repeating for you. W. Wa. X. X, x, box. Y. Yak. Z. Zoo. So, same. I'm unmuting you all. Yes.
W. Watch. Blue.
No. Some of you are not able to pronounce the X phonic sound and Z phonic sound properly. Some of you are still not able to pronounce the phonic sound of X and Z properly. Pay attention. Look here. I am again repeating phonic sound of X is X. Box. Box. Last में देखिए C. Pay attention. X. Box. Z. झंडा वाला झ. Zoo. Z. Zoo. Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay. So who will tell why we are learning these phonic sounds? Who will tell why we are learning these phonic sounds? Just raise your hand. Who will tell why we are learning these phonic sounds? Samruddhi Hiwale wants to say. Yes, Samruddhi Hiwale, unmute yourself. Beta, unmute yourself. Yes, now please unmute yourself, Samruddhi. Okay, I think Samruddhi is having some connectivity issue. Geetanjali wants to tell. Yes, Geetanjali.
मैम हमें अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोलनी नहीं आती इसलिए.
Beta, as we are learning phonic sound, you have to speak in English only. Yes, speak in English. This sentence, speak in English.
मैम we